Hello, I'm Max, and this is my multimodal presentation on The Unknown Citizen. In The Unknown Citizen, Auden suggests that the ideas of conformity show complete loss of identity and individuality. This conformity creates apathetic and obedient citizens, which allows for the government to be in complete control of the country. Alongside this, Auden adds the experience of bureaucracy by highlighting the life of an unknown man being controlled and micromanaged through bureaucratic systems set by the government. Conformity is damaging because it removes the possibility for real individual experiences. The quote, "Except for the war till the day he retired, he worked in a factory and never got fired." In the first few lines of the poem, the dichotomy between fired and retired clearly emphasizes the insight of the ordinary man's life and how the government's capitalism limits the opportunity for individual experience and the freedom of choice for the citizens acquire. This simple direct rhyme expresses new human experiences where everyone conforms and obeys the government due to the government systems. Auden's poem is a powerful reminder to the reader that the government, with the use of bureaucracy, can become faceless and can conform the citizens in their state. Near the end of the poem, Auden mentions and the loss of eugenics and the loss of individuality that the USA citizens face. The relationship expressed here is similar to Nazi Germany's genocidal attempt in 1939, where they attempt to gain complete control over their race and conquer another. This ignites new ideas on how the government are trying to conform the people to obey their every order. In the beginning lines of the poem, we see an insight of the citizens that lack significance nor individuality. Quote, "He was found by the Bureau of Statistics to be one against whom there was no official complaint." The irony in which Auden expresses the overbearing state of surveillance ensures the citizens to conform to the government. Bureau of Statistics offers that the man is highly praised due to him having no official complaint. This creates new ideas in the government because the man did good and he never did anything wrong and obeyed their every rules. Auden's use of a rhetorical question in the final lines of the poem bring greater attention to the absurdity of the poem's premise. Was he free? Was he happy? The question is absurd. Had anything been wrong, we should certainly have heard. This suggests that bureaucracies are seen to encourage freedom, which is what really breeds conformity. However, the poem's irony questions the readers whether the man was really free and what he was free from, as well as questioning the measures of which freedom and happiness can be tested through the standard of living within the context of the world they live in. The Unknown Citizen by Auden explores the form of a dystopian report through the life of an unknown man. The emphasis on the average citizen describes how a normal person is to conform in a bureaucratic society to ensure the standardization of human experiences in the poem.